Hello, I'm Guillotin. I graduated this summer from EPFL. Under the supervision of Yotaye, I've developed a project questioning the place of industry in our cities nowadays. So this work extends the theoretical framework I have developed in my previous research on industrial architecture in Switzerland. So for this master project, my research focused on the place of industry in the city as a response of the growing pressure of ecological, ethical, logistical challenges. These challenges invite us to rethink traditional production models segregated by the zoning. This project takes place in Sévelin, a district in Lausanne, on the former productive site occupied by Good Company until 2016, so one of the last industrial sites in the city center from the 1930s. So in line with the Flon district, the Sévelin district is becoming more tertiary, erasing its productive past. And the remaining productive buildings are now facing a strong real estate pressure due to its location. So the project proposed an alternative to enhance the site and strengthen its productive, social, and cultural character through a center for recycling building material destined for demolition. The center would collect, sort, store, and repair construction materials. It would also raise public awareness through a showroom, events, and training. It would welcome architects, engineers, craftspeople, and residents of Lausanne and the surrounding area through the building. In few words, the architectural intervention consists of the installation of a large modular shelf capable of integrating the existing structure and dialogue with the productive history of the site. This result came from a long research to fit in the site and the neighborhood. I first thought the building according to the classic diagram of an efficient factory with load-bearing facade to free up the floor plan. But the thinking evolved toward a solution that avoided the monolithic block logic already very present in Sévelin. On the contrary, the aim was to propose a building that would preserve a certain porosity, as it was until now, while ensuring a functional density. Through its two sides, the roof contrasts the rigidity of the site and at the same time dialogue with the building to the north. Furthermore, the configuration also presents thermal and economic advantages. Storage does not necessarily require heated space and therefore a facade. So by removing the facade again is achieved in terms of cost and carbon footprint. The metal structure of the shelf is designed with as much as possible reuse elements such as slab, medium span beams, and trusses. Most of the existing building will be preserved. So concretely, the reuse center is organized through three existing halls. The first will become a public space hosting a showroom with stored materials and will be a beginning of the reuse awareness trail that would unfold through the storage area. The central hall would host a workshop for the rehabilitation of materials connected to the logistical flows. And finally, the third hall would be transformed into a housing workshop for artisans. So storage will be located on the upper levels, with a stock ranging from concrete slab to wooden beams, including simple bathroom faucets. The top floor hosts programs open to the public as a sidewalk cafe, a fab lab, and other duplex artisans also located there in continuity with the one on the lower levels. This project is part of a desire to question the place of industry in the city today, not as a simple vestige of the past, but as a potential lever for urban, social, and economical transformation.